Social media. With the advent of the Internet, the world has become a global village. The interactive websites and applications enable users to create and share information, videos, and original thoughts and ideas. But, more than anything else, the social media has revolutionized the concept of communication and community. Hence, the speed with which the social media users are rising is stupendous. However, while the social media has numerous advantages, like any other invention, it has its share of disadvantages. To begin with, the social media has changed the concept of community by opening up countless avenues for users to connect with the larger community. Through this virtual medium, community is no longer the immediate community in which we live. It has now expanded to include the entire world. Today, one has become a part of a global community. People in one part of the globe can actively engage with others across the globe. Also, it has opened new vistas for students and professionals, who can easily interact with their counterparts in any part of the world and exchange views on matters of mutual interest. Students can also easily interact with educators and researchers in any part of the world and gain from their knowledge and wisdom. The social media has also become the fastest-growing platform for online businesses. Till the beginning of the 21st century, online business was a fantasy. Today, businesspersons can initiate a business with the click of a button, rather with the touch of a finger. They can post their products and invite buyers from every nook and corner of the world. They can interact with their customers on a case-by-case basis and readily respond to their queries, comments, and needs. Additionally, the social media has made the promotion of skills and talents very easy, leading to the opening up of innumerable avenues for many people. Skilled and talented people do not need to go out or seek contacts to promote their capabilities anymore. They can display their talents and promote their skills and products through the virtual medium and achieve great heights and recognition in their respective fields. They can advertise their skills and capabilities through the social media, making it easy for employers to hunt the right people for any vacant position that they might have. Moreover, employers looking for people with specific qualifications and capabilities can also freely use their social media groups to advertise their vacant positions. One of the biggest contributions of the social media is the ease of connectivity that it has provided. Gone are the days when the going of a friend or relative to another country meant loss of touch and lack of communication with them. Social media has not only made constant connection with distant relatives possible, but it has also helped establish contact with long-lost friends and relatives. Due to its affordability and easy accessibility, it has aided and strengthened the bond of love and care between family members living in distant parts of the world. Today, all family members can virtually participate in any family event in which physical participation is not possible for any reason. However, while on the one hand, one can think of innumerable benefits of the social media, one is often reminded how it has negatively influenced many aspects of people's lives. While the social media can support students in a number of ways, its injudicious use often results in persistent incomplete school assignments, tardy work, and poor academic performance. Moreover, when a lot of pending work gets piled up, students often resort to online websites and cut and paste options. On the one hand, this is detrimental to their learning and growth as students. On the other hand, those who do not have access to such services remain behind, as they are unable to do their work. With regard to business, while the social media has facilitated online business and promotion of skills and talents, one may get cheated by fake virtual companies and organizations. Hence, despite innumerable benefits of online business, it may be misused by fraudulent companies. People may suffer financial loss by paying for goods that may be of poor quality and services that never materialize. Also, those aspiring for good jobs and better opportunities may face physical harm by going for fake interviews. Humans are social animals, and for strengthening social bonds, physical sharing of moments of joy and grief is important. Increased time on the social has limited face-to-face communication and compromised relationships. People are spending more and more time on the social media, which has caused a significant deterioration in the frequency and quality of close. One-to-one communication between both immediate and the extended family members, who occupy an important place in the Pakistani family structure. While social networks enable interaction with a large number of people, in a short span of time, these interactions are shallow and cannot adequately replace everyday face-to-face communication. This lack of quality communication can weaken relationships that may, in turn, have damaging consequences. Impact on the physical health of people is another major area of concern. When social media is used disproportionately, the users constantly remain desk-bound or are limited to the comfort of a couch or a bed. This excessive and addictive use of the social media has replaced all kinds of physical activities and has become a major cause of obesity in children, teenagers, and adults. And obesity causes major health problems, including high blood pressure, diabetes, and heart diseases. Besides impacting physical health, the damages to mental health caused by the social media are also alarming. For one, constant viewing of other people's success and achievements, and their problems and failures, can have devastating effects on how people begin to view their own life. For another, rumors travel very fast via the social media, causing unnecessary worry. All of these can lead to anxiety and depression, with severe consequences for the individual and the family. Social media can also lead to psychological disorders, one of which is related to the posting of selfies. Several recent research studies indicate that if clicking selfies develops into a habit, such individuals may become victims of self-praise and self-absorption. This can lead to inability in a person to understand that other people may have opinions different from their own. In short, using the social media has both pros and cons. One can reap many benefits from it. But it is important to see how one can minimize its harmful effects. The ills of social media can be mitigated if we follow certain basic rules. These include, among others, fixing a time limit for using the social media and following the limit strictly. Also, one should be discreet when selecting online products or responding to online offers of jobs and other opportunities. Moreover, creating a balance between study time and physical activities can help in addressing academic and health-related concerns. Further, sparing time for family and friends, and not indulging too much in self-portrayal can have a positive impact on one's life. Also, it is important to share only authentic and verified news and content so that no inconvenience is caused to you or your friends. In today's times, giving up the social media may not be a realistic option. A prudent user can benefit a lot from the positive aspects of the social media, while its negative aspects, and not staying away from them, can make one a victim of its adverse effects. Used appropriately, the social media can be a good resource. Used inappropriately, it can cause considerable harm.